Are you better off than you were 10 years ago? The progress of humanity moves inexorably slowly, but there is irrefutable evidence that Americans are better off than they were 10 years ago, about 20% better off. Real disposable personal income grew at an average annual rate of 2.2% since the end of the last recession. That's 2.2% more income after taxes and inflation annually for 10 years, 22% in the last 10 years. Household net worth has skyrocketed in recent years, soaring in the current expansion far beyond the peak of mid-2007. Real average hourly earnings are up 9.9% from the bottom of the Great Recession in mid-2008. Real wages boomed during this expansion, although politicians and the financial press have incorrectly focused on before-inflation wage figures, and therefore have totally misinformed the American public for years about wage growth. And, busting another myth, blue-collar workers have seen the exact same 9.9% growth in their wages after inflation over the last decade as the overall workforce. While the belief that blue-collar workers have not had a pay raise for years is widespread, it has little basis in fact. These are literally the real numbers, and they show blue-collar workers have not been left behind in this expansion. The unemployment rate at 3.9% has not been this low since 2000, and 164,000 new American jobs were added in April, the 91st consecutive month of job gains, which is by far the longest streak of job increases on record. Over the last 10 years, $1 invested in America's 500 largest public companies grew to $2.48. From the stock market's low on March 9, 2009, $1 grew 4.75 times in value to $4.72, a 372% return. What's ahead? The next decade is sure to be different from the past 10 years. We're here to help you plan for your life based on real facts.